If you're experiencing server timeout issues in PUBG, there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the problem. Follow this guide to help load the server timeout. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or high latency. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Change server region. In PUBG, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your location or less congested. Go to the settings menu, select the matchmaking option, and choose a different server region to see if it improves your connection. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your bandwidth. This includes downloads, streaming services, or other online games. Freeing up bandwidth can help reduce server timeout issues. Step 4. Adjust network settings. You can try adjusting your network settings by enabling coax quality of service on your router. This prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of traffic, which can help maintain a stable connection while playing PUBG. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're still experiencing issues, verify the integrity of your game files through the game launcher. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve connection problems and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you should be able to lower your server timeout issues in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider or the game's support team for further assistance.